All right, how we doing, guys? I know. We have one more thing to do, and then we're done. So, hair's back up, feeling good. All right, so the last thing we're going to do is we're going to do the mirrors. So, for me, I am going to be using Windex. That's what I have right now, like a glass cleaner, and some paper towels. There for a while, I did go in and keep Windex and a roll of paper towels in each bathroom. I currently don't have that in there yet, but it is something I'm going to be doing in the future. That way I don't need to lug around stuff. So, oh, deep breath. Oh, give ourselves just a little bit of time. All right, 10 seconds, and we're going to be off to the races. After this, I say we sit down for 15 minutes with some sweet tea. Let's go. All right, so I have my paper towels right here with me. I keep my Windex in here. This is a whole situation I did too. It's basically a shoe organizer. Love it. All right, we're gonna go upstairs. Yes, see how red I am? Oh my goodness. That's what happens when I get hot and sweaty. All right, we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna hit the bathrooms, and then I still have to do the trash in that one. So we'll do that while we're in there. Oh, last time I'm going up the stairs for a real hot minute, that's for sure. All right, because as you can see, I'm going slower. All right. I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see. Oh, hi. See how bad my bathroom counter is? When I say I was not in here for a year, I mean it. I was in here to take a shower, and that was it. That was all. All right. I'm going to try to put you up. You might be able to see a little bit of me. That's about what you're getting right there. Sorry. All right. So with the mirrors, you don't need to go all crazy, right? All we're doing, you just want to get like the middles, that toothpaste splatter. For me, it's been over a year since I've done these mirrors, so they're bad. But you know what? That's what happens. I notice that's what happens when you're taking care of someone. Um, Really, that just kind of takes over your life, and you just kind of do that. And that's what I did, at least. Um, yeah. I, oh man, I played caregiver, and so that's all my focus was just taking care of my husband. So my bathroom got really, really bad because I have a teenage girl, and those with teenage girls, you guys know what I mean. So, should she be the one to help pick up? Absolutely. Absolutely. And don't worry, she will. All right, so that's about as much as I'm going to do here. Is it the best I can do? No. Is it what's getting done? Yeah. Yep. My paper towels. Put them inside the garbage that we just emptied. And let's move to the next bathroom. So I did the biggest mirror first. Did the biggest mirror first because I knew that would take me the longest. All right. It's on. All right. Again, I don't know how much of this you're going to see. But I'm going to go ahead and do these mirrors. And we also have to empty out that garbage too. Looks like there might be a bag in there, which is fantastic. So for the trash, you know what you could do is you could do like a shopping bag. You could put a shopping bag down as your bag in the garbage. You don't need to have an actual different garbage bag for it. Okay, that's all I'm doing for that. I need to grab my garbage bags here. See, super simple. All right. So this one is the guest bathroom. What's nice about these is they have like an inside can. Yep, it has an inside can, so that way I can just empty it out. I do like these garbage bags though, because they do have like a scent to them, you know, and for bathrooms. All right, I'm gonna put an extra bag down below, and done. All right. Tying this up. Let's bring it down the stairs. So, in theory, you could, oh, I forgot my Windex, my towels. All right, so let's go down the stairs. In theory, you could go and mix the mirrors and the trash at the same time. For whatever reason, I didn't. As you do this yourself and you do them weekly, you're going to see what's going to work for you. And since it's the first time I've done it in a long time, you know. All right. Put this garbage bag right there. See, right there. I'll take it out when I'm done. All right. Now we're going to do that last bathroom. Yeah. All right. Whew. Starting to cool down a little bit, which is nice. All right, let's see. Yep. All right. That way you can see what I'm doing. Whew. Oh man, I am so thankful that I woke up without a headache. You just do not understand. I am thankful for all of you that are watching these videos. Thank you for coming along with me and doing this alongside of me. That makes me actually want to get up and do things. So I definitely appreciate that. All right, we have 2 minutes left. I am hot. I am sweaty. I'm a little bit tired. Not too tired. But yes. Whew. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my stuff away. Yeah. When I wasn't feeling my best, honestly, the one thing kept going in my mind of I need to make a video. I need to go and I need to clean something because you guys you know, you were probably looking for me. We have less than a minute left. But, you know, when, if you don't feel up to doing something, like you know, you have a migraine, you are sick, you are just, you're hurting, it's hard to do stuff. And so I get it completely. And sometimes just doing your morning and evening routines, that's all you can do. So that's okay. We have 20 seconds left. Sit back down. Whew. All right. So yes, I do appreciate you all being with me for all of this. 3, 2, 1, done. We just completed a weekly home blessing. Oh, so now with this, get some sweet tea, get a cold drink, put your feet up, because you just did a lot. You did. So I'm very proud of you. Thank you for being with me for it. And if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It actually will push all the videos out to more people, so that hopefully I can help more people. That's, you know, that's why I'm doing this too, is so that hopefully someone will get some help. You know, they'll feel like they can do this too. And if you haven't subscribed, go for it. It's that little button that's down there. For my folks on Facebook, there is a link to my YouTube channel where all these videos are going to sit. So if you want to go and see the backlog of all the videos I've done, it's going to be there as well. So thank you so much, and you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, guys.